Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the AV Access 4K HDMI KVM extender, a device promising to extend your HDMI and USB signals over a single Cat5 E6 cable up to 120 meters with zero latency. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This extender supports 4K at 30 Hz and also handles 1080p at a smooth 120 Hz, which is great for gaming. It also supports other resolutions like 720p and 480p. The main selling point is its ability to transmit these signals without any noticeable delay. This is crucial for applications where timing is critical, such as gaming or professional video editing. The AV Access KVM extender features 3 USB 2.0 ports on the receiver unit. This allows you to connect peripherals like a keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, or even a 4K webcam. The high-speed USB 2.0 connectivity, up to 480 megabits per second, ensures that your peripherals operate without lag. The device is designed to be plug-and-play, so you can get it up and running quickly. It supports a wide range of applications, from home entertainment to data centers and classrooms. The metal housing provides durability, and the rack-mountable design makes it easy to integrate into existing setups. The AV Access 4K HDMI KVM extender is a solid choice for anyone needing to extend HDMI and USB signals over long distances without sacrificing quality or introducing latency. The support for 4K resolution and high refresh rates, combined with the convenience of USB 2.0 ports, makes it a versatile tool for various applications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.